Hey guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I wanted to share like a casting reel hack for those that are new to it or don't want to get one of these little casting reels because there's no level wind. So you would have to use your thumb or your index finger to guide this line back and forth, right? So here's a quick tip for you to reel it in without having to guide it. I just recently discovered it. I don't know why no one really teach you this, but most people will use their index finger like this, or use their thumb, or however, right? But another way to do it, for me here, I didn't use my finger. Once in a while I guide it, but a lot of time these are a little bit not even, but as you can see, this is even, this is almost even, and then this is even. That's because when I'm reeling it in, let's say I hook it, I reel it in without using my finger, but what I do is I tip it this way in an angle so that the line will go this way, and then I'll tip it this way and back and forth like that. See what I mean? So the line will line up back and forth using the gravity and the angle, basically. Then you could just focus on reeling it in, just going back and forth, and then what it will do is just like having a level wind guide, it'll reel in evenly, so you don't have line all the way to the left or right. So try it next time and let me know what you think, and leave a comment if you already knew about this. Leave a comment if you haven't done it. Try it and let me know if it was helpful. Leave a comment, like this video, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.